Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm more rich. I'm not more Cuphead. If you guys are, please, thank you. If you guys want me to any games, it feels so loud actually. Request me any games you guys want. Hear me? Oh yeah. Oh my god. All right, I need you, sucker. This.
It's on.
Let's go. I got one. See, cause experiment. That's why I might be high school dropout, and if I do, high school drop. Get out of here! No one likes you. Get out of here! Get out my. Nope. That's right. Give me this. Good. Thought I died right there. Oh, did I lose a life again? I have great memory. See, if. Oh my god. Hey, why do they look so familiar? I actually like this game. I took it's called. Not bad. It's really good. Maybe made it still good. You know, people who care. Game super hard. Hell's gonna happen, but you know what's gonna happen. First level, you know what's about that mushroom. You know what's gonna happen. But in Cuphead, you don't need. No way, Jose. The bug will usually just did it just started where the trees are at. Nope. Oh, you guys. Wait. No. I can't get on though. That sucks. Nope. I'll try. Oh, that I'm gonna make a Fortnite video. I have an Xbox Live run out. PC, I have no place within. Oh my. Pikachu, go! That's right. Oh my god. Damn, am I that fat? Some calories. No! There! I was there! Gosh, darn it, Cuphead. Some extra calories. Boys! Fast flip. Roly-poly. Oh, no. Gosh damn. Woody. Why does Woody the wood a little hole? Must be such a cat. Oh no! Touch this. Nope. Mother, funny. God, I hate you. What is he look? Oh no. Darn it, where do they come from? God. Are they just... Oh my god, I hate these. That I lost a life. Life hate me. Nope, I'm not screwed. It's a good boy. Gotta lose some extra calories. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh no. I am not gonna... Oh, no. Whoa, no! Oh my god, I'm scared. Ooh. Yes! I did it! Let's go! Woo! See? Woo! Not just kidding. That sounds very... Hey, that's right. Get at my level, bro. You're trying to hate. Touch that. Dislike. Are you guys just jealous? I'm brave enough to make videos. What can I buy? Oh yeah. Another boss. Let's see if I can try to do something. Porkman, I don't give a bleep. Bleep. Welcome. Chaser. Low average. Guard. Heart. Adds an additional hit point to your attack power. Short range was great. That smoke bomb. I'm taking this one. This one's really.
And begin.
I think I'm not gonna be able to. I'm gonna try. I almost got your time. Oh, so okay. Run gun. So where's my? Oh, I see how it is. Oh, it's the tree. Oh crap, I forgot. More of you, Carney Carnut. Okay, my mind. Oh, what are you? Mario. Oh!
Here goes.